Hi everybody, Beadmeister22 here. Today we're going to show the Hoover PowerDash cleaner in action. Anytime you use a carpet shampooer, they say pre-treat the stain. Well, I ain't gonna pre-treat the stain. You can't make me. We are just gonna plug it in and vacuum it up, and we'll see what happens. So yes, this is real-time actual footage of what is actually happening. All right, so watch that. Okay, what'd you think? Did it do a good enough job? Look at the dirtiness of the water in the waste collection tank. Yeah, ooh. Something you might have noticed is if you look at the wheels of the vacuum, they were collecting a little bit of lint and stuff on the wheels. You got to clean those wheels off. It's easier when the wheels are wet than when it's dry. I didn't clean it last time when it was wet, so they were already on there dry from last time. Yeah. So what's causing that? Well, it's a combination of lint, and in my case here, maybe some dust from some cat litter, because I did not pre-vacuum this area first. When you do a carpet shampoo, you're really supposed to vacuum the area first, but I was hitting a stain here, so I didn't want to vacuum it with a regular vacuum. But I guess I could have. And really, if the stain had been there a long time, which it wasn't, maybe I would have pre-treated it. I have a weird way of pre-treating it. I'll show you in another video. I use a different vacuum cleaner. I use my Bissell pet thing with the squirt thing on it. Yeah, I'll even make a video about that. It's a horrible handheld vacuum, but it's got its place in life, right? All right, so have you ever heard of the Hoover PowerDash lightweight carpet shampooer? Because I'm impressed with it. It's small, it doesn't take up much space. I've had a full-size, big HR rug vac, you know, the ones that you rent at the grocery stores. I've owned one of those in the past. Loaned it out, never got it back. That's how it is. And then I've had a full-size Hoover carpet shampooer, and it was just too bulky and clunky, and I gave that one away. You know, it was like $300 for that, but I got it on sale for $180. I chose this specific cleaner because it was small, it was lightweight, the reviews were really good about how well it works, though the reviews said it sucks to clean, and I've posted a video about some of the cleaning on it. I will keep you updated on how well it's working, and really for around $100 you can't beat it for, I mean, look what it's doing. Alright, so what do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, if you can get a small, easy-to-use, lightweight shampooer, you'll use it more often, and you'll keep things cleaner. Thanks for watching.
Beadmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.